What's going on, guys? It's Tom with Verus Engineering. Today we're going to be installing the oil filler cap for your GR Corolla. All right, so here's what you will receive in the kit. You're going to get the cap of your choosing. You can see we have two pretty cool designs here. And you're going to get a custom O-ring, the threaded adapter, and a M6 flathead cap screw. To install it, we're going to need obviously your hands, and you'll need a 4mm Allen socket, T-handle, whatever you want to use. All right, so we need to get this thing assembled so we can get it on the car. So to do that, we're going to use this cap today. We want to grab our O-ring that's supplied in our kit. Push that into the bottom of the oil cap. We want the rounded side of the O-ring facing the valve cover. We want to get our flathead cap screw next and thread it into the bottom of the oil cap. Don't tighten it, just thread it all the way in. Then we want to grab our threaded adapter, thread that onto the oil cap like so. Again, don't need to tighten it right now. What you'll notice is you can clock this in 360 degrees if you need to. Basically, when you go to tighten this into the car, it's probably not going to be right. It might be, you know, here or here or here. And what you're able to do now is go ahead and correct that angle. And once you have that set to the angle that you like, or the orientation, I should say, you want to turn that set screw, the flathead cap screw we put in the bottom of the cap, counterclockwise. All right, again, that's counterclockwise or loosen, if you will. And what that's going to do is back the flathead out against this threaded adapter here, pushing the two apart, giving it a tightening effect. So now I can't turn either of these independently. All right, we've got the orientation set correctly on our oil cap. Take your OEM one off, obviously, and go ahead and install your new one. Make sure it's tight, and you're good to go. We'll see you next time.